Hey, great day to you. So does Walmart integrate with Xero? The answer is yes, and there's a really cool connector app that can help you do just that. It's called Link My Books. You will find a free trial of Link My Books in the description of the video, along with free onboarding link, best coupon code, and tutorials that show you how to use Link My Books. Now, Link My Books can help you with Walmart integration, sync Walmart payouts with deposits in Xero or QuickBooks, with precise tracking of sales, refunds, fees, and taxes. So Link My Books is like e-commerce accounting and bookkeeping software. So accurate e-commerce accounting on autopilot, save time and money by automating your bookkeeping, all sales, refunds, fees, and taxes accurately accounted for, automatic bank deposit matching with Xero and QuickBooks, built-in support for VAT, GST, and sales tax. So gain financial clarity with Link My Books, free trial link in description, free onboarding, coupon code, and best tutorial videos. Now, the tool works for Walmart integration, so it can help you connect Xero or QuickBooks to Walmart, but also you can connect Amazon, Shopify, eBay, Etsy, TikTok Shop, Square, or WooCommerce to Xero or QuickBooks, so kind of multi-channel tool, pretty cool. And another cool thing about Link My Books is that it can be used by e-commerce sellers and also by accountants and bookkeepers that are handling e-commerce sellers. If you're an e-commerce seller, check out this video in the description. This is going to be the first link to the first video, how to use Link My Books for e-commerce sellers. 30-minute tutorial with myself. Great to meet you, Vova, Evan, Amazon seller, and Daniel Little, the co-founder of Link My Books. And in this 30-minute tutorial, we show you basically how to go with Link My Books from zero, of not understanding how it works, to fully understanding how it works and using it well. If you are an accountant or bookkeeper that's handling e-commerce clients, we have prepared another video for you with Daniel Little here. And in this video, 41-minute tutorial, we show you again how to use Link My Books, but for bookkeepers and accountants. So hopefully you'll be able to grow your accounting business or bookkeeping business, onboard more clients, have errorless practice, because software can help you automate a lot and definitely you have less errors. So again, if you're looking to connect Walmart to Xero or QuickBooks, then Link My Books can be a good choice for you. Check out free trial link in the description. Also check out free onboarding link in the description. The guys from Link My Books will be happy to take you and guide you and show you everything, answer all the questions. It's free. Best coupon code if you want to save big. And the tutorial videos that show you how to use it, the link is going to be an affiliate link. It means that if you ever do business with Link My Books, I'm going to get a little commission from Link My Books at no extra cost to you. And in this way, you can support my free content. I'm truly grateful for that. I've been creating content on YouTube since 2018. It's been a while. And also, I've been creating content on my blog at vovaevan.com since like 2021, over 600 posts, I believe there, over 1,100 videos here on YouTube for you. So thank you a lot for supporting my free content if you choose to do so. All the links are in the description. And my last wish for you is be well, be healthy, be happy, live a great life. Thank you. Bye.